Hey guys, how's it going? How to use DeepBrain AI for AI avatar videos. You can go ahead to your browser, and then what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna find right here the DeepBrain AI official website. Go ahead and make sure to create a new account, and as you can see right here, you're gonna see custom avatar, screen recorder, PPT upload, and many more. You could go ahead and start using the DeepBrain AI for your avatar. For your avatar, you're gonna see many features. You can go ahead and click create your free video, create a personal avatar in minutes. You can do that. So after you log in with your account, you can go ahead and click AI avatar card, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see the avatars that you can use from many templates, right? Go ahead and hit next. And as you can see right here, they will show you how it's done. And then after you select your avatar, you can go ahead and export. Hit done. Select your avatar. Let's say, for example, I want to select this Asian lady, right? And I can go and share your recipient's details, and they will create and send customized videos directly to their inboxes. You can upload a file, right? And then because I don't have a file, you can go ahead and hit next. And as they showed you in the tutorial, you're gonna be able to create one by yourself, right? You can create your own AI card, but AI avatar card. But if you want to use it for avatar videos, like for your own avatar videos, you can go ahead to the official website and you're gonna see right here custom avatar. You could go ahead and create your own custom or personal avatar in minutes right here. As you can see, this is an example, right? You can go ahead and hit create avatar for yourself, and basically because my screen record will be gone so you won't hear me after I actually go and create my own custom avatar. So make sure that you go to create your avatar, make sure that your camera is ready, and then they will create the avatar. The DeepBrain will create the avatar for you, and then you're gonna be able to use it to many more features, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.